Hello everyone, am I audible?
Yes.
Everything good, Fahad?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
All right, Hiram?
Yes, sir. I'm fine.
All right. Hiram, what I taught you in the class, today also we are going to do that, but a little bit fast, all right? So please have some patience, all right? Because we have not completed that in this class, all right?
Yes.
Fahad, we started linear inequalities.
Yes.
I told you what linear inequation in one variable means, right? Now linear inequation in two variables. Very simple. If A, B, C are three variables, or A or B are two variables, are two non-zero real numbers, and X and Y are two variables, then inequation of the form Ax plus By plus C less greater than equals to 0, Ax plus By plus C less than equals to 0, and same for greater than equals to less than equals to are called inequations. All right, Fahad, this is clear?
Yes.
All right. Examples are 3x plus 4y plus 5 is greater than 0. This will be a linear inequation in two variables. So these are the types of linear inequation. So what is the solution of linear inequation? What is the solution? Hiram, can you tell me what is the solution of a linear inequation?
Values of the variable for any variable is true.
Absolutely right. All right, Fahad, what this means? The values of the variable for which the given inequation is true. What does it mean? If I write x plus 1 more than 0, then what are the values of x which make the statement true? What this means, if I put x equals to 5, then 5 plus 1 is 6. It's 6 greater than 0, Fahad?
Yes.
So x equals to 5 will be a solution of this equation, all right, of this inequation. So any value of x which make this statement true will be the solution of this inequation. This is clear?
Yes.
Please note it down, both of this thing. All right. So how to solve linear inequations? These are all theoretical things, but now from now on, we are starting how to solve questions. There are certain rules you have to follow, rules to solve linear inequation. All right, what rules are there to solve linear equation? Idam, can you tell me what is the first rule?
Yes, sir. Same number can be added or subtracted from both the sides of an equation without changing its sign.
Absolutely. So what this means, let me just repeat again, both same number can be added or subtracted from added to both the sides without changing the sign of the inequation. What does this mean? This means if you have x plus 1 greater than 5, then you can add or subtract 1 or minus 5 from both sides, and you don't have to change the sign of inequality. Alright, Fahad, what I can do, x plus 1 minus 1 is greater than 5 minus 1. This I can do. If I'm adding or subtracting any number, then I don't have to change the sign of this inequation. Is this clear? Fahad?
Yes. Yes.
All right. Please note it down. All right. What is rule number 2, Iram?
Same positive number can be multiplied or divided on both sides of the inequation without changing its sign.
All right, absolutely right. So what did she say? A positive number can be multiplied or divided on both sides without changing its sign. All right, but if you multiply or divide a negative number, then the inequality changes. Inequality sign changes. All right, Fahad. What this means, if you have 2x is greater than 4, then you can divide by 2 on both sides without affecting the sign of inequality. But if you want to divide by a negative number, suppose I want to divide by minus 2 and minus 2, then this sign will change. This will become 2x upon minus 2 less than minus 4 upon minus 2. Is it clear, Fahad? Very
Yes.
important thing. All right, so this is very, very important thing. This is the only thing that changes from the things we have done since childhood. All right, note this down. All right, you are taking screenshots.
No, sir, I'm noting side by side.
All right, don't note side by side. All right, either you are understanding this completely.
Yes, you have already taught this before, sir.
Or yes, in this previous chapter, right?
Yes.
All right, then it's cool. What is the third rule, Iram?
Any term of the inequation can be taken to other side by changing its sign but not changing the sign of the inequation.
Absolutely right. So any term of the inequation can be taken to the other side by changing its sign, but not the sign of inequation. Very simple. If you have 5x equals to 2 plus x, you always took this x to this side, but wrote 5x minus x equals to 2. Same thing we can do in inequality. If you have 5x is greater than 2 plus x, this x can go to this side. 5x minus x is greater than 2. Right? No need to change the sign of inequality, but we have to change the sign of this term. This thing is clear, Fahad?
Yes.
All right, note it down. All right, let's start with few simple questions. And Iram, you have to solve this also. These are new options. 4x minus 2 is greater than or equals to 0. All right. Let me solve this one. We can add to both sides, right, Fahad?
Yes.
So 4x minus 2 plus 2 is greater than or equals to 0 plus 2. So this is 4x greater than or equals to 2. Now we can divide by 4 on both sides. So dividing by 4, because we are dividing by a positive number, no need to change anything. So 4x by 4 is greater than or equals to 2 by 4. So this is equals to x is greater than or equals to 1 upon 2. This is the final answer, right?
So won't we write the answer in the form of sets or something?
You can do that also. No need to worry about that. You can write this will be half to infinite, right? And close brackets, open brackets, right?
Yes.
And don't write sets like because there are infinite numbers, we are all dealing with real numbers here. So I hope you remember intervals.
Yes.
All right, Iram, you too.
Yes, sir.
All right, this thing is clear, right? How we can write this as this interval form. Iram.
Yes.
All right. So let's give you guys few questions. Solve 12x minus 3 is less than 9.
X is smaller than 1.
All right. Iram, you got the answer here?
Yes, sir.
All right. So how we can do this? This is 12x and adding 3 both sides. So these 3 will be cancelled. So 12x less than 12 dividing by 12 will get x less than 1. So in interval form, Iram, can you tell me what will be the answer here? Iram, can you tell me in interval form?
Yes, 1, comma infinity.
Infinite. See, x is less than 1, right? Always try to draw a number line. This is 1 and this is infinite, this is minus infinite, right? X is less than 1 means what are the values of x? Few examples.
0, -1.
0. So all numbers will lie in this line, right? So this line will be from minus infinite to 1.
Yeah.
So less than is minus infinite to 1, open brackets both sides, because we can never reach minus infinite and there is no equality sign here. So open brackets with 1 also. This thing is clear? Iram, Fahad, this is clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So solve this next one.
8 by 15. X is greater than 8 by 15.
Send me the answer in chat in interval form. Iram, I need the answer from you also. Iram, have you solved this?
Yeah, I'm doing so.
All right. All right, have you solved this, Iram?
Yes, but I'm not sure.
Not sure. All right. Yes. How we can solve this? This is very simple question. See, 30x minus 9 plus 9 greater than 7 plus 9, right?
Yes.
So this is 30x greater than 7 plus 9 is 16. Dividing by what number can we divide both sides?
2.
2. Why need to divide 2? See, we need to remove 30, right? So we can directly divide by 30. Right, Iram? So 30x divided by 30 is greater than 16 upon 30. So this is x greater than 16 by 30. Yes or no?
But 16 by 30 can be cancelled, right?
Right, right. You can write this as 8 upon 15 also, no worries.
That's what I did. I cancelled it by 2. I got the same, but I don't know how to write it in intervals.
So how to write this in intervals? In number line, 8 by 15 is this. See, x is more than 8 by 15. Remember this, if you move from left to right in a number line, things get more, right? If this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and so on, right?
Yeah.
If you move from right to left, then things will become lesser and lesser. So this is minus infinite, all right? So x is more than 8 by 15.
Yeah.
So which line? This line
Yeah,
from
right.
here to here.
Yeah.
So what should I write?
Infinity.
Right, but from where do we start? X is more than what value?
8 by 15.
8 by 15. So from 8 by 15 to what point?
Infinity.
Infinity. Which brackets on infinity?
The
Open bracket, right? We never include infinity because we can never reach infinite. So always open brackets. Got it? And on this side, which brackets?
closed,
Closed. Why closed?
because it's less than.
No, no. See, x is strictly more than 8 by 15. If we had equals to here,
There's no equal to sign.
then we would include, all right?
Yeah.
So open bracket here also. Are you absolutely clear? Hiram, this is clear?
Yes.
All right. No worries. We'll all learn together. No need to hurry. Let's try another question. Minus 10x plus 5 is less than minus 5. Try to solve this one. Fahad, check your answer again. Remember, read the rules again.
Yes,
Think.
yes,
All right.
sir. Just The minus would be removed.
No, send the answer again. And we never write 1 to minus infinite, we write minus infinite to 1, right? Number lesser are first, written first. Iram, I need the answer in intervals.
So is this till this it's correct?
Yes, that is correct. Fahar, not infinite to 1. We don't write like that. Please send me the correct answer. Yes, now it is correct. Iram, what about you?
So one second. 1 to infinite, all right. Why did you use close bracket on infinite? Can we ever get to infinite, Iram? Whenever you write infinite, infinite will always have open brackets. All right. Okay.
So let me solve this. Minus 10. If I divide by a negative number, minus 10x by minus 10, minus 10 by minus 10, then this sign will change. So this is x greater than 1. So 1 to infinite. Open on both sides. Next question. Three x plus 9 is greater than or equals to minus x plus 19. All right. Solve this. I need the answers in interval from both of you guys. Absolutely right. Iram, Fahad, this is also right. So I think this is clear, right? No doubts in this. Yes or no, both of you? No need for me to solve this. Fahad, Iram.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Or next question. 3x plus 17 is less than equals to 2 into 1 minus x. All right. All right. Both of you are getting different answers. Let's see. So this is 3x plus 17. This is 2 minus 2x. Yes or no? This step here, just multiplying the brackets. This 2 can go to this side. This 17 can go to this side. 3x plus 2x is less than equals to 2 minus 17. This is 5x is less than equals to minus 15. So x, if we divide, then less than minus 3. These steps are clear or not, everyone? Fahad?
Yes.
So if this is minus 3 and x is less than equals to minus 3, that means x will always be less than this. So minus infinite to minus 3. All right. Hiram, what did you do wrong?
So I changed the sign.
Why? We are dividing by 5, right?
No. So the less than sign. That's a mistake.
In question, like writing down the question.
Yes, I wrote the question like that.
All right, no worries. So this is the right way. Next question. 2 times 2x plus 3 minus 10 is less than equals to 6 times 6 minus 2, x minus 2. All right, Fahad. All right, again we are getting different answers. Let's see. This is 4x plus 6 minus 10 less than equals to 6x minus 12. If you take this 6x to 4x to this side, let's just take 6x to this side. So 4x minus 6x less than equals to minus 12 plus 10 minus 6. This step is clear, everyone? Fahad, Iram?
Yes, sir.
So this is minus 2x less than equals to minus 18 plus this is minus 8. All right. So dividing by negative 2, so minus 2x by minus 2 minus 8 by minus 2, the sign will change. This will become greater than equals to. All right. So x is greater than equals to 4. If this is 4, then how to write this in interval? Iram, how to write this in interval?
Close bracket 4,
All right.
comma, infinity, minus
Infinity. Why minus infinity? We need x is more than 4. So if you move forward, you will reach to infinity, right? Iram, this is clear or not?
So if the sign were different, then it would be minus infinity.
Yes. If you had x is less than equals to 4, it means the maximum value of x can be 4, right?
Yeah.
And minimum can be anything, minus infinite. Next question. Solve 5x minus 3 is less than 3x plus 1 when x is a real number, x is an integer, x is a natural number. Right, this is a 3-part question. You have to solve each part individually.
Sir, I got the answer, but how should I, as in, how should I present the answer?
Right, that only you have to think, right, Fahad?
Like, should I write the answer in roster form of it?
Yes, whatever you think is good, because if x is a real number, then we can include any number, right? We can write in interval form. But if x is an integer, then we cannot use intervals.
Okay.
Right, and same
So
for
my
natural
answer is
numbers. Your answer first one is, we have to check actually. Second one, Iram, we cannot use intervals, right? Why? Because if you write interval from 2 to infinite, then all the numbers from 2 to infinite are included. right? Yes or no?
Yes.
But here x is an integer they are saying. That means we have to only select the integers between two numbers. So let me tell you how to solve this. Just give you a hint. So this is 2x is less than 4. So we can write x is less than 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is the solution. Now we have to represent this in three parts. So first we can easily say minus infinite to 2, open brackets both sides, absolute lie theorem. And Fahad, I hope this is clear, right? No issues in the first part.
Yes, sir, it's correct.
In the second part, they are saying x is an integer. So if x is an integer, then we have to write down all the integers from minus infinite to 2. But 2 cannot be included. That means 1 is included. So we can write this in set format, right? How to present this? Any ideas? Anyone?
Where x is an integer, x belongs to z, and x is of the form, I don't know.
Right. You can write x is less than 2,
Okay, okay,
right? X is an integer and x is less than 2. That takes care of everything. Otherwise, you can simply write minus infinite, comma, dot, 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 minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, dot, 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 0, 1. All right. They can understand this.
okay.
All right. Iram, is this clear?
Yes.
Iram, this is clear or not? All right. This is sets, right? We have studied this in sets. Now x is a natural number. So if x is less than 2, then what natural numbers are there?
1, 1.
1. Iram,
So,
this is clear?
so should this be in a set, or we can just write it as one?
No, no, always write this in set. All right.
Okay.
Iram, this is clear?
Yes.
Next question. Solve 12x is less than 50 when x belongs to R, x belongs to Z, x belongs to N. All right.
Sir, done.
All right. Iram,
Yes, I'm doing.
all right. Tell me when you're done. Right, for just 2 minutes. Right. All right. So we just divide this by 12. This is x is less than 25 by 6. So x is less than this. So minus infinite to 25 by 6. Absolutely correct. The first part is minus infinite to 25 by 6. What is the answer of second part? Iram? See, we can write this as x is less than
Minus infinity,
minus
comma
infinity,
4.
comma 4. All right. We cannot write like that. We cannot use intervals because intervals will count all the numbers in between them, right? Yes or no, Iram?
Yes.
Because x is an integer. So we have to write, this is, we can write 4.25. So minus infinite. Fahad, what we can write? The solution?
Comma, comma. Sir, I wrote it in the form of sets.
All right.
Yeah.
No issues.
I'll build
Right. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, dot, 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 3. And 4 also.
Yes, because it's
Right.
4.1.
Yes, because it's 4.25, not 4.1.
Oh, yes. Yes, 4.2. 4.2.
Yes. So the least maximum number would be 4. This is clear, Iram?
Yes.
So next part, what will be the answer?
1, comma 4.25.
Oh, no. Again, you are using intervals. When do we use intervals? When we have to write all the numbers from 1 to 4.2. But x belongs to natural numbers. So x is only
4.
the natural numbers, right?
Sir, actually, it's 4.1, not 4.2.
Oh, sorry. This is 6. My bad. I assume that is 4. Actually, I thought like that. My bad. No issues. All right, Iram,
4.
4. Why 4? you have 4.25 here and 0 here, because natural numbers exist between them. So how many natural numbers there in between this 0 to 4.1? Iram?
There are 4,
4. Which one?
1, 2, 3, and 4.
This is the answer. X is a natural number from 0 to 4.1, because X is less than 4.1, and X cannot be more than less than 0, because X is a natural number, right?
Yes.
Is this clear? All right. Fahad, this is clear?
Yes.
All right. Next question. Two x minus 3 upon 4 plus 9 is greater than or equal to 3 plus 4x by 3. Solve this. Have you guys solved this?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hiram?
Yes, sir.
All right. Fahad, send me the answer.
Sir, what?
Send me the answer on chat. All right. Let's see how to solve this. This is 2x minus 3 upon 4. You can bring this to the left side. So minus 4x upon 3 is greater than or equals to 3 minus 9. Right? Now, taking LCM, this is 3 times 2x minus 3 minus 16x upon 12 is greater than or equals to minus x. This is 6x minus 16x is minus 10x, and minus 9 upon 12 is greater than or equals to minus x. How to get away from this 12? Multiply 12 on both sides. So we get 12 into minus 10x minus 9 upon 12 greater than or equals to minus 6 into 12. So this is minus 10x minus 9 is greater than or equals to minus 72. So minus 10x we can get minus 72 plus 9. So minus 10x is greater than or equals to 63, minus 63. These steps are clear till now? Pahadiram, these are clear?
Yes.
All right. Now dividing by minus 10. So minus 10x upon minus 10 minus 63 upon minus 10. Kiram, what sign should I put here? What sign should I put here?
Less than.
Less than. So this is x less than equals to 63 by 10. So the answer will be minus infinite to 63 by 10. And anywhere close brackets or open brackets? Hiram, why to put open bracket? Infinite, right? Minus infinite gets this, and this is close brackets. Why? Because we have equality sign. All right. Always write the number that is less on the left than on the right. Fahad, got your mistake?
Yes.
You did not change the sign here. This is very important. Whenever dividing by negative number or multiplying by negative number, the sign will always change. Please remember this. All right. Write it down. The next question. Five x minus 2 upon 3 minus 7x minus 3 upon 5. All right, 5x minus 2 upon 3 minus 7x minus 3 upon 5. Give me a moment, notepad is hanging. 5x minus 2 upon 3 minus 7x minus 3 upon 5 is greater than x by 4. All right, try to solve this one. Iram, have you solved this?
Yes, I'm sending.
All right. Four to infinite, 4 to infinite. All right, see, we can take LCM here. This is 15, and shall I like skip steps if that is okay?
Yes.
All right, so 25 and here minus 21. So 4x. This is minus 10 plus 9 plus minus 1. This is clear? Everyone got this value? Or
Yes.
is greater than x upon 4. Now let's bring this again. Or we can multiply a number both sides so that both of this gets cancelled. So what we can do, multiply by 60. So 60 times 4x minus 1 upon 15 is greater than x upon 4 into 60. So this is 4 times 16x minus 4 is greater than 15x. So x will be greater than 4. So 4 to infinite is the solution. Both of you are correct. There is no issue till now in this chapter. Fahad, Iram. All right. So this is all for today's class. In the next class, we'll do some different topics on this, right? How to solve it, different types of question. But please do revision on this, and we'll give you assignment also. You have to solve questions from that also. And tomorrow there will be exam of relation and functions of half an hour. All right. This is clear, Fahad, Iram.
Yes.
All right, Iram, this is clear. All right. Take care, guys.